Hey, welcome to the Best of US Investors Nvidia Daily Price Range Projections Review. Today is Thursday, November 14th, and I'm going to take you through the Nvidia price projection calculator that we sent out this morning and the projections for the day of the range, as well as looking at the charts. So let's get going. First up, we go to bestofusinvestors.com or www.bus13.ai. We log in to our account and we go to the NVIDIA daily price range. Now, this is a free service and you can sign up. And once you sign up, you get a login and you're able to go check it out. So we're going to click on that link. It's under free stuff and it's going to bring up today's projections. First off, we still are sitting at a score of 3 out of 4. We're sitting right in between the ranges, and the ranges adjusted downward yesterday because of the market, uh, Nvidia going down yesterday on pretty average volume. Didn't really change much from the last from was today Thursday. So Wednesday didn't change much from Tuesday, and today didn't change much from Wednesday. So we're still in that range, but it adjusted the implied vol, which is part of the calculation when we make these projections. So on the low end, we had projected this morning before market open of 136 on the low end and 151 on the top end. The index SM or the Nvidia opened up at 147.64 today, got as high as 149, which is up near the all-time highs, and it got as low as 145.55, but closed out the day up from the lows at 146.76, or down 0.33%. So really in a tight range, but still closed down and still sitting in that lower, in that mid-range area. And so with our scoring system, this is an accumulation phase. And I'm looking at it, I believe that we're going to see at some point maybe a push down towards those lows, but this will be an area where you see accumulation of the shares by institutions and hedge funds, big companies who build a position, and then once they get to that allocation amount, they start then putting big money in it and pushing the stock higher. And the barrier right now is the all-time highs. And so we're going to go check out the chart on this, and we'll take a look at that using the low end and high end projections that we have put together here. All right, so today, uh, November 14th, we, as you can see here, we sort of closed in the middle range of the high and the low today, but on the lower side. So we closed below the low, below the open today. So that's why you have a red candle here. Our range projections were 136. That's that green line there. And then on the top end, 151 on the top end here. And so typically what I would see here is if the iVol premium was at a discount and going down, meaning institutions weren't hedging their position, thinking a contrarian point of view, then I would say, yeah, Nvidia is going lower very soon towards this green line, which is 136. But that's not the case. Instead, what we're seeing is we're seeing the iVol premium increase each day, meaning we're seeing more hedging going on. So they're buying put contracts, and the mechanics of buying a put contract, you end up creating basically pushing a spring down kind of effect. And so there is a very good potential we're going to see the spring go higher and push the stock higher. Now, as it pushes it higher, you'll see the iVol premium go lower and eventually possibly go to a discount level. And that's when, if the stock is up near the highs, the projected high for the day, and you have a discounted iVol premium, then that is a sign that you probably shouldn't be allocating, or you should be putting some sort of trailing stop loss or some protection there, or just if you're day trading it, or what I call period trading, a week or so trading, then you may want to take your position off or reduce your position and take some profits. But right now, it's more of a bullish sign, in my opinion, based on our model. And so right now, what I'm seeing is sort of just this even flow of volatility or volume. So we were at today at 190 or 193 million 261,000 and some change, and that's really almost similar to what we saw the last 3-4 days. So we're trading in this volume wise in this really the small channel. We're not seeing much, but what I see here is accumulation of shares and potential for a move higher through the all-time highs. In the meantime, what do? You just be patient. And if you're looking at this from the standpoint of that I am, this is accumulation of shares. This is adding to your position to your allocated max amount in your portfolio. And typically that's in my book, no more than 5-6% of my overall capital that I want to allocate to a position initially. So you just build into that position, maybe 1% at a time till you get there. And then once it makes a move higher and you start to take profits and you're getting that discount in iVol premium, you start to peel off and take profits throughout it. So it's an institutional way of trading. It's more of a a short term, say 15-day to intermediate term, which is 63 days or so period of time, trading days that is. So that's how I'm looking at this. So am I freaked out about this, about Nvidia being in this range? No, not at this point in time. I do think this is a time to look at how you're allocated, how much you're allocating to it, and what your risk parameters are. Consider trailing stop losses behind it. I use my trading range or my high low as a decision made, how I make my decision on the trailing stops. You may have a tighter trailing stop. I know Mark from who runs our platinum channel, it's the swing trading channel, which is a incredible channel that you can subscribe to, as well as uh, many of the two other channels we have. So it is he runs like a 2% stop loss on his. So he does not want to lose money at all or take any major hits. You as a manager of your fund, you need to put risk management parameters in that. And we talk about that on the Discord, on the Platinum channel, along with Kerry's call as well. So if you're not a subscriber, we have the Silver channel at $9.95, we have the Gold channel at $19.95, and we have the Platinum channel at $60. You're going to see our version of the Nvidia daily price range projections. That's going to be expanded out to the Mag 7 and the 3 indexes. And that's going to go start out in the Silver channel. And that'll be available in Silver, Gold, and Platinum as well. So if you like this quantitative approach, look for my announcement here in the very near future of the addition to the Silver channel, $9.95. It's a gallon of gas in California, probably, or it's a latte and a pastry at Starbucks in, I don't know, the most affordable place in the United States. It's not in my area, it's not in Florida. But anyhow, you could easily pay for that 90.95 easily with really one trade every month. That's what I'm trying to shoot for. Teach you how to do this, how to think unemotionally about investing. In the meantime, thank you so much for checking this out. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, share it with a friend, and look for my announcement on the Silver channel for the full on Mag 7 and 3 indexes in our price range projections that will go on. That will be $9.95. So check it out. Anyways, have a great day and always live loud. See ya.